everybody, it's Bunny, and rubber elf ears are my new favorite fashion accessory. What do we think of them? Yes. So today we're going to be unboxing the latest and greatest Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery box. I think that these are called the summer mystery boxes. Unfortunately, for the first time ever on this channel, we are only going to be opening the middle box. I can't remember if this one is called deluxe or premium, or if the largest one is called deluxe or premium, but normally I do get the largest one, which I think has 10 items in it, despite reminding myself all week to set an alarm and a reminder that they were launching, I think, only last week. I think they launched last Friday. Anyway, I forgot to set an alarm, so I just so happened to wake up within like the first 30 minutes of the launch, and I went online, I scrambled. At first I was able to put the premium one in my cart, but you guys know when there's like makeup products in demand, like people can jack stuff out of other people's carts. Anyway, I'm sad that we did not get a deluxe box because normally the largest one has a star mirror in it, and I love those star mirrors. So I don't think there's gonna be a mirror in this box, but I think we're still going to get 5 products. I really do love this. It's like kind of a lime green, kind of a yellow. So I really love the packaging. Oh, my phalange. I'm gonna be able to slide everything out of the top. So let's just reach in there and see what we pull out first. Hopefully it's going to be products that I don't already have, although that is quite a challenge. Let's just reach my hand down in the wrapping paper and see what we're gonna dig up. Okay, what is this? It is, ooh, I think a lipstick that I actually don't have. So it looks like this came from the Alien launch. What was that called? It's called Galaxy Gold. Yeah, so that sounds pretty alien-like to me. Probably shouldn't have worn makeup today, so I could have actually put the products on my face, but we're just gonna be swatching them. This is the lip ammunition. This is what the product looks like on the outside. The casing is beautiful. There is like a glitter embedded in there. All right, ooh, it is gold. You'd think that would be obvious from a shade name like Galaxy Gold. Here we go. So let's do a nice little swatch. Ooh, this is very pretty. It's almost like a semi-sheer gold when you first apply it. I'll show you guys. And then you can layer it like I did to make it more opaque. But honestly, I want to use this, I think, as like a lip topper to make other shades shiny and gold. That sounds quite magical. First thing, quite pleased. All right, thing number 2. What are you gonna be? Oh, kind of feels like another lipstick. Okay, yay. I didn't know if every single box would be receiving this, but I'm glad that I did because I saw a sneak peek of this velour liquid lipstick on Instagram. It was with a black and white filter, but I saw these little question mark labels on the top of liquid lipsticks. So I'm not sure if this is a special shade that was formulated just for these mystery boxes, or if it's just like a mystery up until the point that you open it, and then there will be like a lipstick that's already been released on the inside. I don't know. What do you guys think? Or have you watched other videos like this and then maybe you already know? No, wow. This looks like a completely new shade. So here we are. It is like I'm just gonna pull this out of my butt right now and say it looks like a chrysanthemum pink. I'm not sure if chrysanthemums come in this color, but that was the first word that came to my mind, so we are gonna run with it. Smells like makeup. Some of them are root beer scented, and I think the velour lips were scented with another scent, but this one is just scented like makeup. Ooh. It actually has the same topper as the rest of the Jawbreaker collection, which I really loved, that like lime yellow kind of color. So this is the swatch that I did. It's not matted down all the way, as I'm sure you guys can see, but it does just kind of have like a floral pink about it, right? Or am I just making that up? Does this look like any other color from Jeffree Star Cosmetics? I can't put my finger on any of them. I know any of them that I say like will not turn out to be right. So let me know if it looks like anything similar that you guys have seen before. That is really cool. I love the little like question mark label on the bottom. That is quite fun. Okay, reaching down, what's gonna be next? Ew, feels like a larger box, and it is a liquid frost. And I do think that I have this shade in my collection already. It's called Canary Bling. This came out with, what did this come out with? Do you guys remember? This is what it looks like in the bottle. And I think, gosh, I feel like all these products were like completely coordinated to have like a kind of yellow gold highlighter and a yellow gold lipstick. So let's go ahead and do a swatch of this. I love these liquid frosts, very buildable, and so I kind of put way too much, but oh my gosh, look at it, like compared with the lipstick. I feel like those two products like go really well together, and I haven't watched anybody else's unboxing videos, so I don't know if we're all getting the same products or if lots of different people are getting lots of different shades. Are people getting different shades in every box? Or is there kind of like a mini package, a premium package, a deluxe package? You guys let me know if y'all watched any other unboxing videos, but that is just like brilliantly coordinated until I started swiping the lipstick all down my arm like a heathen. I think we have 2 more products. Ooh, okay, I looked down and I saw this one. We have ourselves a Jeffree Star pop socket. I think it did say that there was gonna be like 1 piece of merchandise in each box, so this is what I got. I think we got a black or a pink pop socket in a mystery box before, but hey, you can never go wrong with a pop socket, and I love the fact that it is orange. Last product, another liquid lipstick, and here we have, I think, one of the first couple of shades launched. This is Gemini. I went ahead and just kind of cleaned up the swatching area because I thought maybe you guys would like a side-by-side comparison of the question mark mystery lipstick next to this other one. That's what the 2 liquid lips look like together, but I thought maybe you'd like to see a side-by-side swatch so that we can see, you know, because I feel like one is like, I can't believe I almost said a dusty or rose color, and then one is like a chrysanthemum pink. Personally, I would layer these 2 lipstick shades together. Use this one to like outline the lips, and then use this one as the lighter color to fill in the lips and make them look plumper. I learned that trick about like darker on the outside, lighter on the inside from Candy. I feel like she did a tutorial for like how to get perfectly plump lips years ago, probably like 3 or 4 years ago, whenever that Kylie lip challenge was blowing up. I remember she did that tutorial and I watched it, and I feel like I've imprinted those tips into my brain for the rest of time. But it really, really does work if you want like naturally fuller lips. Does that make any sense? Anyway, here's the 2 lipstick swatches side by side. Oh, we've got darker and lighter, or deeper and brighter. How do we want to say it? Also, I thought real quick before we go, it would be fun if I did try and use this, what was this called? Galactic Gold, Galaxy Gold as a lip topper. Now that I was like, oh, I bet you can put it on other lips. Ooh, get a close-up shot on my ears. See, you never know what madness you're gonna get when you tune in on my channel. I just might be wearing elf ears in the middle of July for no reason at all. I've also been known to wear tiaras. Why don't I know how to pronounce anything? All right, let's do a lip topper. I'm actually wearing Yes Please today. Yes ma'am, yes please. Nobody would ever create a lipstick shade and call it Yes Please. I've got on Yes Ma'am, which is from the Jawbreaker collection, and I feel like that's been my favorite, newest Jeffree Star liquid lipstick. I feel like I've worn it almost like every day I've done my makeup since I got it. So anyway, let's put a bunch of glitter over it. Ew. Look at that. I like it. Sparkly gold, sparkly gold. Ew, too close, back up. I really like that idea that I had. I feel like it kind of makes whatever your lipstick is underneath it have like a hint of metallic, a hint of glitter, but it also doesn't feel like gritty and grainy on my lips, which is sometimes a problem that I have with other glittery, shiny, shimmery lipsticks. Oh, my outfit is leaving. So that's it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what y'all think. I think that I paid $40 for this. Yeah, with shipping, my order was $58, so maybe it was $50. I literally was like checking out so fast because I always love to do these like mystery box videos with you guys, so I literally like just wasn't even paying any attention at all. I have never been disappointed with one of these boxes. I think it's a lot of fun. You guys know, like I've said, I love the mystery box thing. I will never get sick of it. There's just no end to pulling random stuff out of a box. It never gets old to me, and I always get products that are either duplicates of things that I really like that I would want to have extras of, or things that turn out to surprise me that I don't think I've had before. I know I've only done this once, but so far I do really like the concept of layering this gold lipstick over other lipsticks. It's very magical. Let me know if you've watched other unboxing videos. Did I get the same stuff? Did I get different stuff? I'm really hoping, fingers crossed, that I can remember to actually set an alarm for the next mystery box launches, and maybe I can get the super big deluxe premium magical one, but I am certainly not disappointed with this one. So let me know you guys' thoughts and opinions down below. Did you get one? Are you gonna get one? Do you not care at all? Do you hate mystery boxes? If so, you probably didn't click on this video. But thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp Family, and give an alligator its wings. Also, if you want, you can hit the notification bell down below, and then you will hopefully be notified every time I upload a new video to this channel. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all again very, very soon.